Introducing the 2019 Dodge Journey. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, and one-touch window functionality. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.